Hello, I am Nitish Jain, one of the product managers here at Docyt, responsible for integrations and partnerships with external third-party platforms. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your Docyt and Clover integration in 5 simple steps, so that you can start pulling all your revenue data into Docyt. Once the integration is complete, you will have a live dashboard view of your revenue data along with easily downloadable reports. Follow these easy steps. Step 1. Go to the Docyt app on the Clover app marketplace and click the green button labeled Open the app. A new tab will open in your window where you can log into the Docyt app with your username and password. Go to your list of businesses and select any business. Step 2. Log into your Docyt account and you will be redirected to the Docyt settings page. Under integrations, you will see the tab Configure your Clover integration. Step 3. Enter the required details like start date and then click on the connect button. Step 4. A pop-up box will appear where you will need to enter your Clover credentials and log in. And voila, the integration with Docyt is successful. Step 5. The exciting step where you can see your revenue data. Go to the Revenue Center where you will see your daily revenue data in a list format. You can view a list of revenue deposits from all merchant processors, including cash and check deposits. Additionally, in the merchant deposit view, you can easily see what hasn't been deposited yet. And then, under Business Reports, select Revenue Accounting Report. Here, you can see all the tracked revenue, including outstanding balances. You can also access your daily revenue report to gain valuable insights into your revenue streams, optimize profitability, and drive financial success for your business. And that's it. This was how easily you can set up your Docyt and Clover integration. Thank you for watching.